April ni somni paruk sang ni somni paruk ani vo in chom malam khanin Donald Trump hi tha an lu tum le pek niom mani a buai thla khop mai amaro chu chiat na rap thak le thi le hliam an ma in police le secret service agent te chuanin khapa akha kum som thum pakhat mi nin ka hria kha an man thei ani hemi chungcha hi kan riak tran main he kan en ho lokang
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sang hi somni paruka tanga sang hi somni pasari academic sessionatan class 11 arts admission kan hongle ta kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities rang school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thu ne na no pangan zir tirna le an kai hloina skula hian admission ron vero le
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chaltang li liveng hi phone number te veka chu phang chuanin admission in lo ti ve thewanga nangmanina admission in ti angai kherlo ni point amamo te tan khanin in lo in thril pungdon ani o ole tuna chuanin a news taka kan react tran mai in hei hi Erica Kirk ni in ka hria chon hei Trump pa ania ti chuan hetia an ho lai hianin engemoni thom puak thom kha an hretatlat mai ani ti chuanin kan play potang Hey First Lady Melania Trump chuan hi tunge ni ka thalo ang pho ma ta chuan hi Erica Kirk Charlie Kirk nupui kha ni in ka hria kiti khianin anom ani kiti nga anom lai khianin ki thil puak rian thria chuan hi Secret Service ho te khianin anunga tangin Trump pate mai ba ka JD Vance ate khang teng te kha backstage lama heta em potha pop mai ani an himna kha an ngai poimo khop mai an in pek na zo a ro pui khop mai hiti khianin heng hi American tlangwal an yang chu ko ti mai tu teng ni ka sa chuang lo ma ro chu ting hianin US President Trump pataki ting hianin ven him na an ron thok ngal ani pui khop mai
great professionals up here and outside that have been working with us. My impression is he was a lone wolf.
Kapa kha Donald Trump she dan zonin ama chau ni in asia Trump hi active ve ang reng khop baya hetianga thil incident a thlen nu hi chuanin mi then khat te hi chu an traumatized ta khathila wang khanin anxiety ten nei zuya hetia mi pui ma avadin chua tianga omle lo khan ya ruma mani chawa hadam taka omte kha an du thri ni amaro chu kan Trump pui he chu adang dai ve ang reng khop maya khami thil thlen nu khanin press meet ka ma chona khami thil thlen chungcha khanin a thil mu dan te soi chu ka an professional khop mai kan sipai te tin ka hria dana chuanin khapa kha ama chawa che ni in langa an ti ni amaro chu khami dinner an nei na mun kha hotel ni in a hriat ani kha hotel a khanin khapa Trump patha tumtu kha a thleng ve tlet mai ni hetil hi chu an mani lampang hianin an chui chian ve fe chu anga yang khati tak maya security lapse a oma kha khairo kha chu zona ati tam ve ang reng khop mai ani
whack job. These are crazy people. These are crazy people.
mi a tak ani hetiang thil ti tum thin te hi ti ani
And they have to be dealt with. We had that in the second attempt, as you know, and he's spending life in prison. Because if you let him out, they'll probably, if he serves 10...
chodin news dangte na an report dana chonin he thil Donald Trump pachunga thlenga hi tha antum voi thum na ni to ni in an report ani a campaign lai Pennsylvania khanin tha antuma kha bakha khonge tha antum ka hремia lawa ke hian Milo shil shete u comment section lama ha kai zo ka hre ho long mai hi adang le chu ania cho adang pakhat la om ti na ani ka sheta ho long mai
10 years or 15 years you let him out, he'll probably try it again with somebody else.
Ama atha tum tu pa po kha dam chung jail atang do ni in Trump hian te hin ron soy ani
They're sick people. We have a lot of sick people, but you're going to know
mirap thak tak te hi America ra ba hen kan kol ve ani ti ni
I think very shortly
he pa hi an chiang ma han man chiang le mai heti khop han in man chiang hi chu common law ve khop mai ti khianin chuata an bo ti ra kut nung khi ti khianin a hen kaf ta chuanin ma khianin camera an da tha an lak sakani ata chuanin han che ta han tal chuanga ina kha om to lo reng man chiang takan ni armed suspect, a 31-year-old man from California. California mi nia kum som thum pakhat akhaya. Ala avala thalai ve tro. That mai la hen manani. Class of 2025 engemani chu zirzo chu anei ve ani. Reports suspect name called Thomas Allen. Hey, LinkedIn atanga athalak anlak ni omania mile khathiam pa ngai chu ni ve ang chuanin alang ani ngor o khonge I security tlan pel atum na lai hemi video hinan ron da ve don emo o hemi video hinan da lang ve lo ni helai kan en liang
at the White House for us. He has the very latest, I guess, on the investigation, which is not only
yes helai hi ke en do
I
kai
don't want
chuan
to speculate. I don't know specifically how it would work each time, but I'll tell you this.
oh hey hi khole mani security check in point ani khami Donald Trump ate dar e na mun tur tang ha mo chon thilmak ve de chu Donald Trump hian in khitiang ang dinner program hi akum ha salam te po khanin alo skip to ti report oma tuna atel chumber hian hetiang hian in thil hi a thleng le ani ti te report om bok ani amak ang reng khop mai ti chuan heta kan mu hi hi security checkpoint ni na langa hemi te hi low duty andi ti chuan khapa kha aron tlan puat don ni aron tlan puat don ani atlan phei pa kha thleng chia te po kha ti mai the ni
Gun laws in Washington D.C.
Hello,
the
en
nation's
ulamo.
capital are
enula he ron tlan puat mai mizo fiam thu tu de chuan in video te chu siam se tunge liam puat kha te po kha ti mai the ani ta tiang te po khan video te po khan siam du mai the chan chu uluk de win lo en mau la he a liam puat don ani a hiam mo hey chak mang khenging oi liam puat ei phei chu ala in ring man lo rang hei phei chu ta khianin Trump pakha awa thlen phei ma khanin an lo man ani tlan chak thua chuanin tlan chak ve ang reng khop mai khoi moni in tlan siak na in elna te tel se chu pakhat na te pawni mai thei ani ama ro chu a om lo na tur hmuna he ron om thlat man dei mai ani heng atang te paw hianin ho kan om lo na tur hmuna hianin I om lo wang ti zir lai te paw hi zir chuak ila thang in ka sia khi tiếng khen an tin về la thái rồi chun thật em là win cái sữa xí lại rồi chun met buộc ni in cái sữa khi tiếng khen in an man zui ta ani khá clip khắp cam mù đủ treo chiang em mà khá clip khăm mo thì xuân hết ta hiện nghe thiên
So
thanh
it's
lại
a very important question you asked, and those questions do need to be asked to the hotel and to local law enforcement, federal law enforcement about.
thì xuân in khá hotel này tu te lệ khi mình muốn security làm bằng bồi bùi tu te khi chuan in zona an dong ve na sango tang chan chu khapa kha hotel a hana lo thleng anga report ani boxia chu wang chuan in kimi program organizing committee te pawning chu baka security lampang boy pui tu te tin king hotel nei tu te po khi an tan chuan in a ho phur om chho viewang
The security posture at that hotel, given the fact that he was a guest, but I do know that D.C. gun laws are extraordinarily tight, doesn't mean that he could not have potentially in this case.
yes hey an mana kha ke ni kha chuan heta hianin heti zong hianin kan muta he ngamani thil te pon sentir ani hi alula matanga amel kan hmuni ta chuan heta asir lama tangin hetiang hianin kan hmu boka an kap fu nge fulo nge ro kha chu a hria chuang lowa ama ro chu tiang hianin ponin khu dei maya.
And I think just from seeing what we've seen tonight over the past hour or so, when President Trump took the podium behind me in the press briefing room, again, it's truly something to see the video and the pictures and have all of this information about this person so soon. So I suspect these charges will be escalated as far as the speed of the charges, the speed of the timetable of law enforcement. Sometimes law is slow, sometimes justice can be slow, but I...
Tuna so nin khapa kha tungen ni ti en threto so nin Trump te pon media press briefing te ti hanaron nei vek to chu van so nin khapa khanin enge dana taka shemani theina tura tang khanin chakta ma anlak arin thu he reporter hianin aron soyani ti sonin Trump ngei khanin ama ngei khan aron soi to ama tha tum tu te pokha dam chunga tang tura ti ang khanin Trump khan aron soya chan chu Trump soi dana chuanin heng te kum ni khat lek an tang an ron chuak le ani chuanin an thil ti tum ngai te po hian ti le theya kha chunga kher de lo midang chunga te po chuwang chuanin heng mirap thlak tak tak te hi chu khatianga han treat mai chi kha an ni ti in Trump pakha na comment heng hea chuwang chuanin tunami po hi eng ti man lo ma se khatianga thil ati miawa wang khan a case kha chu asang ve vi wang ti kha tun tum bi ka ta na toy si kim sianga kan han report thei chu ani ya Trump patha an tum le ni in report a omani ama ro chu Trump chunga engma thleng lowa Trump hianin a hlau vak lo aniang hei ama ngei te hianin a ron ding chuak le a mi pui ma he tiang hian thil thlen dan chung chang te aron soi le thei ani mo chuwang chuanin ama hi chu khatiang trauma vel kha anei lem lo ni in alang ole khati zong kha tu tu mata na kan han report thei chu ni se video lai mule theu don yo